everyone, and welcome back. Today we're doing the Phantom Skull mask look. I'm starting with gluing down my brows, which I ended up taking off, and then I mapped out the mask, put on some foundation, concealer, and powdered that all down. Now I'm going to pop on my eyebrows as well as do my eyeshadow, and I put yellows and oranges throughout the crease and a bright blue shade on the lid. I'm now popping on contour, blush, and highlighter, and then we are going to move into the skull portion of the look. And I'm starting with my Snazzer face paint palette, and I started with covering my waterlines with black shadow and then started drawing out the eye socket of the skull. Now I'm going in and outlining the mask with white and then filling it all in. Now I'm going to start the hollow of the cheeks and fading that out towards my mouth, and then I'm going to draw in my teeth. Now I'm going in and highlighting the eye socket as well as blacking out my nose. I'm going in and contouring and shading the eye socket as well as the cheek hollow, and then going in and shading the outside, which really adds the dimension to the mask. And that's pretty much it for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.